students, how are you? I think it's fine. You know, population is the very important factor in our world. It may be the strength, it may be the weakness. And I think all of you understand what will be the today's topic. Yes, it will be the population growth. Myself, Tanmoy Dotto, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, JS College of Engineering, Kollam. You know, when we are thinking about any project, for example, if we think about any power plant or any water supply system, if the water supply system is for drinking purpose, then what happens? We have to think about that what will be the total amount of water consumption of that particular area. That means we have to know about the population. So that means we have to count the population. What is the population of that particular area? Not only that, we have to predict what will be the future population also. So that means prediction of future population is very, very important for any kind of project. That's why today we will discuss about the population growth. Now, what is the population growth? Population growth is the change of population with time. We can determine the population growth by two ways. One will be the exponential growth model. First one is the exponential growth model, and this is the most simple model. Another is the logistic growth model. In exponential growth model, the change of population or the rate of change of the population will be directly proportional to the population of that place at that particular time. And by this statement, we can determine the population growth according to the exponential growth model. And from that equation, we can determine what will be the time when population will be double with respect to initial population of that particular place. In the same way, we can determine what will be the population or what will be the time required that when population will be half with respect to the initial population. So in this class, we will determine or discuss all that things. So this is the class for the second lecture of the general part of environmental science, that is the exponential growth model.